has arrived. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to undo this clip here so I can get the belt on. But before we start any of that, I'm going to give this a bit of a clean, get all this crap out, and then we're going to have a look, make sure all the blades and the pulleys are all turning freely. The next step is to mark out how the belt runs through all the pulleys. You don't receive any instructions from the manual, and then right there as well, this is our tensioner pulley here, so we'll mark out how many turns that has on it so we can replace it, and we'll probably have to like slacken that off to get the belt on before retightening. The next thing really is just to take off this belt and make sure it matches the other one. I think that's the right one. So the next thing, we're going to get that band on, I've got to take this off. Just pull that pin out there, and then I'll be able to put the belt in through these series of pods. Got a little pin on it there. I'll wash that. Okay, so while I was here, I've noticed all this string. It's obviously caught up in the blades. I have to get that out now. Okay, so it's not, I'm not sure if that was the cause of it. I mean, the blades still span fairly freely, so, but it's still better out than in, as they say. Okay, I didn't film that bit, but yeah, God, it's really hard to get it off. I thought perhaps it's, you know, reverse thread or something being a pulley, but anyway, finally got it off and got it into there now, so we can continue. Okay, now I've got it on, and I'm not sure how tight that's supposed to be. I'm not sure whether I should tighten it up a bit more. It's maybe the belt was slipping, got hot, that's why it did it. But as far as I can see, it's exactly how it should be. I'm going to double check in a minute with the photos I've taken. Always take photos. So after consulting with two professional gardeners, my young brother Richard at Robinson's Gardening, if I had some merch I would be kissing the badge right now, but he's never sent me any, and Tim, well, just Tim, and they both said that this is the right tension, thereabouts, and just to test it. So I'm going to leave the fairings off. You know, I wouldn't recommend that, moving parts and all, but just to make sure it's not slipping or anything else, and then we'll put it all back together. Yeah, just put the two fairings back on. Quite fiddly, you have to sort of get them on just right. There's only 3 bolts. Hold them on, but yeah, it's sort of quite fiddly, but anyway, it's done now. The belt seems to be fine, and there we go, tractor repaired.